So next, we're going to write the API call that queries the OMDB server. To write the API call, we need to go outside the view and write a function. I'm going to call it action. Now action is going to first start by setting loading to true, setting done to false. Okay, so that's all we need to set. Next, we're going to write our API URL. So godlet URL is equal to URL bracket string. So here, write the URL string. So for the URL string, you could get that from here, and then we'll change some of the stuff here. Take away this and say self dot search query. We need an in here, and we also need a dot resume. Okay, so with a do statement, we're going to declare status code variable that will hold the current status of our response. Here we'll check if we have error 500 or 200. And then next, we're going to say if status code equal to 200, then we want to pass the data using the JSON decoder. Done doing that, so they should have a else return. So let's catch in case there's any errors. I'm going to print error, and then let's also set this final data to our movie list. So self.movie list is equal to final data.search, and before that, let's also set self.loading to false, self.done also to false, to true, sorry. So I'll go here and I'll copy these here also. We don't need done, we'll need loading. So with that done, we should be able to try the API now. So I'm going to just, okay, so let's try it in here. Let me see, let's say runner, for example. Tried that before. Okay, so I've not wired it to the action button. So self.action. Remember to do this. Without this, it doesn't work. So try again, runner. So there's an issue with my connection. I'm just going to do that again. Try again. Runner. Okay, it's working here. So you can see a list of all the titles for all the movies. So this is just a basic way you can make an API call in your SwiftUI application. First, you need a model for handling the API response, and then you need your UI. So if you're using a list, or maybe you're using a group of cards or anything, and then you need your action, the function that dispatches the call and handles the result. So ideally all this should be in a controller, and this will be strictly your view, and then you have a model. So I just put that in the same file it's just an example of making an API call.